Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
By just comparing a homemade baked donut to a fried, glazed donut, we've discovered that a baked donut can be healthier. Something to also keep in mind is that fried donuts are made by being coated in batter and flour, then deep fried and coated in sugar.
Make your mark, take our lead.
In what Dunkin Donuts coins on-demand baking, these shops simply bake the donuts and do all of the necessary finishing work, from adding sprinkles and spreading pink frosting to inserting jelly, before the confections are lined up on the shop's long display racks. 13 July 2009.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.